Bank's management is waiting to address the press. That's Mr. B.K. Batra, Deputy Managing Director.
Very good morning. I am here to talk briefly about the quarterly results of IDBI Bank, which were seen by the board of IDBI Bank yesterday, and also give you a perspective in which these quarterly results need to be seen. Broadly, we've done fairly well in our Q1. Our business has grown. It has grown by 13%. Our deposits have grown by 15%. Our advances have grown by 11%, and all this data is YOY. Total assets have grown by 11%. NII has grown by 19%, and net profit has shown a growth of 27%. Now, these are all positive data, but I would also like to temper that by saying that our NPAs have also seen some accretion, and vis-a-vis the gross advances, they now work out to be 6.64%, whereas our net NPAs to net advances, they work out to 3.18%. I would also like to mention that the addition to NPAs is covered adequately by provisioning. Our provision coverage ratio is 66.6%, and this is in addition to the security cover that is available for these advances individually. While these quarterly results, they are certainly encouraging in terms of business growth YOY, but we have to see this in the overall perspective of the journey this bank has been taking over the years. I would like to mention that we have been attempting to correct our business mix, recalibrate our business mix over the last few years. So if I talk on the assets side, then our advances portfolio, which had preponderance of corporate banking assets, has been correcting over the years. And in fact, last year, as of 31st March, the corporate advances worked out to 66%, and retail had grown to 34% vis-a-vis 28% in the previous year. This is essentially one, to de-risk the balance sheet, to de-risk the asset portfolio so that its granularity increases, the number of smaller advances is large, and the number of larger advances are contained, thereby reducing the concentration risk in the balance sheet. This apart, we find that the stress is deeper and more widespread in corporate advances vis-a-vis retail advances, especially retailed structured advances, such as home loans, education loans, and other individual loans. We have therefore consciously been trying to grow that portfolio at a fast clip. And in fact, our growth in this portfolio has been higher than the industry average.
All right, that's a stable set of numbers coming in from IDBI Bank, but of course the asset quality has slightly worsened for the bank, so gross NPAs have gone up to 6.6%. But for the market, it's still a stable day so far.